What's cracking, y'all? It's Nuka, and I'm coming to you guys today from the kitchen. I'm not about to do no cook with me. I know y'all been asking for cook with me videos. Like I said before, not really a cooker, don't really like cooking, but I do it because I have kids. So that's the deal on that. But today we coming, me and my kids are going to try the nature cereal. So got everything from the grocery store and cut up the strawberries, washed all the fruits, and then we're about to try it. So I got the pomegranate, they call pomegranate aerials, I don't know. The pomegranate seeds, I don't know that fancy word. Can you stop? Stop. We got blackberries.
Blackberries. Don't let them drop. Don't let them drip on me.
We got blueberries.
Don't let them drip on me.
It's alright.
Yep.
We got raspberries.
Raspberries that I never tried before. Okay. And we
got the coconut water.
Coconut water. We never tried this.
Can you be quiet? Okay. Coconut water. It has pulp in it, but it's cool because I got this one because it looks like it's from the islands, and I want the coconut water to taste, you know, islandy. And I only have 3 bowls because I'm going to share with my son, and I don't want him to waste it. So I'm going to let him taste out of my bowl. So I only have 3 bowls. But I have strawberries in here. Okay, so we have the strawberries in the bowl. We're going to put pomegranate seed in the bowl. I hope so.
Yep, me too.
It's called nature cereal.
Nature cereal.
Yeah, nature cereal. Like, you know how you eat cereal and it be the cereal and milk? This called nature cereal because it's fruit and water. And you know, nature is made of natural things. So nature is made up of fruit and veggies and stuff. So that's why they call it
Veggie
nature cereal.
Yeah, nature cereal.
No, these not vegetables, these are fruit.
I mean, fruits and not vegetables. That's crazy when I call them vegetables. Not vegetables. These are veggies.
No, they're not. These are fruits.
These are fruits, not veggies. Ooh, I'll go get those. This one. Okay. It's this great. I'm gonna put it in. Not that. Not mine. Yeah. Ooh, nature cereal. And that's in it. Now we got these.
We got raspberries.
Raspberries. Red raspberries. Don't like these. Nope. Did you touch them? That was disgusting. That's what I do.
Girl, don't say nothing. I don't even know what it tastes like.
Stop.
Cut it out, please.
Yes, let's cut it out.
Okay, we got all the fruits inside of the bowl. And now I gotta clean up a little bit because we got droppings everywhere and I just cleaned it up.
I think we need this. Do we need this?
So the reason my back is turned is because I'm trying to fill up our bowls with the fruits. But I'm gonna move this camera so that I can try to position it so y'all can see us taste it.
Go taste it with a spoon. try the water.
Gonna open the water.
Ew. Look at you.
It's got pulp in it, so I think it's little bits of coconut. The way it looks. It stank, y'all. It really stank. It's expiration date. Don't touch it yet. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Taste it. Make sure you taste all the fruit.
Okay, I'm going to. Okay. Guys, this is really hard. Do it. Mommy, Dad,
You like the stank?
yeah. It's really good.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your number?
Enough.
From 1 to 5. 1 being nasty, 5 being great.
5.
What's your number, Plum?
5 is good. 5 is good. Can I say?
So what's your number?
What's your number? 5 or 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
5.
Good job.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Okay. You ready to taste it, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You want to taste it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, taste it. kitchen.
Why you lick it?
You
You don't like it?
No.
You didn't even bite. You didn't even try. Here. Is it good? Good. Okay. Let's try the strawberry.
Yeah.
Is it good? He like it, y'all. They like it. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna give you some more, okay? Let me try it and then I'm gonna give you some more. Okay?
Mommy's turn.
Yeah, my turn. I'm gonna give it back to you once I let me try. Okay, guys. So I got everything in the bowl. And I'm trying to get a spoonful of everything. Spoonful of pomegranate. And I want a strawberry. Okay, here we go. And my teeth are really sensitive, guys, so. Ooh, I'm nervous.
What number did you give it? What number you give it? Do you like it?
Okay, you guys. I'm sorry, but the fruit good, but I couldn't do the coconut water because I think I'm allergic to coconuts. Because when I just put it on my tongue, something happened. I had to spit it out.
Coconut water out?
I think the coconut water is a no-no. I need to try it with just water or something. Or a different kind of coconut water.
But I thought I was going to do chicken.
Cause that coconut water just almost took me out. You guys, I hope that y'all caught that reaction on camera. But I think I'm allergic to coconut water. Cause my tongue's feeling funny and I couldn't even swallow it. I couldn't even chew it. And it tastes like cheese. Anyways, guys, that's our natural cereal review. Taste test video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you want to see down below. And come back. And we'll see y'all next time. Deuces.